In this video we will see how a user task from a workflow can be accessed within the task inbox in Simplifier Launchpad. Within the inbox list, we can see a task that is ready to be claimed because the current user is member of the accounting group. When opening the task details, we can see that we need to input data for an incoming invoice. Before we can submit our data, we need to claim the task. After submitting the task, we see a new task in the list, as the current user is also member of the management group that is allowed to approve the invoice. When opening the task, we see the data input from the preceding task, and after claiming the task we can approve or decline the invoice. Within the Finished tab of the task inbox we can see the two tasks that we just handled.